Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we're going to be doing a week in my life. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my It is 9:10 in the morning, April 9, I'm pretty sure, yeah. And I'm about to leave in like 15 minutes to go to school. And I don't know if I should bring lunch. Like, I kind of want to bring lunch, but I want to wait till after because I'm coming home 2:30 today. I don't have anything after school. Yeah, I don't have anything after school. So
I've been knowing you for long enough, damn, I need you right now. You can take your time, don't have to rush, this might take us a while, yeah. I left all the doors unlocked and you said you're on your way. When you get here, don't you say a word, had no time to play. I know you think that you know me, but you ain't even seen my dark side. It's reserved for you only, so baby, do it right. Do me right, we can go over time. We can move fast, then rewind. When you put your body on mine and collide. It could be one of those nights.
that should be fine, guys. That should be fine. Hey guys, so I'm gonna leave out now, and then I'll get back to you guys after school. I dress at me, take it off. Quick. Woo! She have a collar. Okay guys, it's 9:39 and I'm really on time because school starts 9:40, but then they give you like a 5-minute time in between to like switch classes. Boy, you carry condom in your phone. Big bum. And I do you're nice up in here.
I left all the doors unlocked and you said you're on your way. When you get
Okay, you guys. So I'm gonna do the Q&A like right now. So it's just like a mini Q&A, like I had posted it on my spam. Barely nobody answer, which, oh well. The first question is, did your nose piercing hurt? No. My nose piercing was like one of my least painful piercings ever. Like it just never hurt. Like with me, I'm the type of person, I'm over exaggerate shit like a lot, bro. Do you have tattoos, and if so, how many do you have? 1, yes. 2, 3. And this is the last one that I got. It says love yourself, because I need to learn how to love myself more, you know? So yeah, love yourself. I have a spine. That was my first tattoo I got when I was 15. I got a spine tat. It's my name in Arabic, Savannah Michaela. And I have one on my side. Yeah, a little one in Arabic also. The next thing is, when are you gonna post a YouTube video? Right now, I don't know, like I have like a week vlog from like last week, and I started editing it, but like I got second thoughts, like do I post it, like, you know? Either way, it's something I enjoy doing regardless of like posting or not, so like I don't mind. But I want to post this one. I want to post this one, y'all. The last question is, oh, not the last, two more actually. What's your favorite food overall that you could eat every day for the rest of your life? Salmon. Like, me and salmon go together really bad. Yeah, so it is like 7:15 or something, 7:20. And we're gonna head out to go to the seafood boy place now. So come with me. We're gonna go. Well, oh, actually, the seafood boy place did lock. Like, it closed down. So we're gonna go to Red Lobster instead. So, oh, that sucks.
It's just I feel lonely. So baby, do it right, do me right. We can go all the time. We can move fast and rewind. When you put your body on mine and collide. It could be one of those nights where we don't turn off the lights. Wanna see your body on mine and collide. Baby, it's all yours if you want me. All yours if you want me. Put it down if you want me tonight. Said it's all yours if you want me. All yours if you want me. Put it down if you want me. Let's collide.
How are you?
Bless
I'm
up.
good. I'm just waiting for a table.
Oh, it's not so hot. Me like feel cool.
Same, bro.
You want me tonight. Said it's all yours if you want me. All yours if you want me. Put it down if you want me. Let's collide.
And y'all know.
Waking up, she on it. Good love in the morning. Get on top of my cojones. I pleasure you for the moment. This don't come with no warranty. You want it but can't afford it. My world is different than yours. Your opinion of me is
We're not hard.
No, we're not. We're just gonna drink.
Hey, killer. Don't claim say them are weird for me.
Oh, I'm joking.
Everything.
My inventory got a whole lot in store for you. Birkin bags, purple tags. I can put a whole lot of shit on blast. Vera Wang, Balenciaga. Baby, you ain't never too fly for that. I talk a lot of shit. Cause I can back it up.
Can I get another shot, please?
Yeah. Yeah, man. I want El Flino Mantiano. El Flino Mantiano.
Put your body on mine and collide. It could be one of those nights where we don't turn off the lights. Wanna see your body on
That's Ontario. We are right at the corner.
Baby, it's all yours if you want me. All yours if you want me. Put it down if you
Oh,
want me.
in Baladan.
Chill, black.
Put it down if you want me. Let's collide.
Oh, I don't know.
I don't understand. I hope the food is coming
So
soon.
all nugget.
Ain't nobody make me feel like you
Because I
do.
didn't order any
Boy,
time.
like you do.
Because we have a
Thank you.
a GoPro, but Lord, I don't know.
A GoPro.
Yeah. Because it's that
feel
GoPro.
So we're leaving now and them gonna stop at a bar, but because I'm still underage I can't go in the bar, so I'll wait in the car. Oh, it's gonna be so cold outside. Lend me a jacket now. Wait, oh no, you don't have to zip it up. Hey, it's not too bad. Because I'm saying choose night. Hey guys, I don't know if you can see me, but it is 9:44 in the morning and I have to be at school for 10 for musical. I just have on I have black joggers, a black top that I thrifted, and yeah, I'm just gonna dance in that. But after, I'm gonna get some stuff to make cheesecake for daddy, because he's a cheesecake guy, and I made like some really nice cheesecake one time because it was like so good. So yeah, I'm gonna get some stuff for that and make some for him, and we'll go come back, I go change and everything, and then we're gonna go to the mall. So stay tuned for that, y'all. My camera is about to die, so I brought my charger with me, and hopefully it gets a charge and everything. So yeah. Hey guys, so I'm just leaving school now, and I'm gonna go to Superstore, and I'm gonna get some stuff to make cheesecake for daddy and for myself, because I can't make cheesecake, so why not? And send home some for Taylor, my sister, and my brothers and stuff. And yeah, so I'm leaving school now. Still, I'm just gonna play back my song. I got to Superstore over there. I think I might have mentioned Walmart, but I know Walmart, I mean Superstore. So in Jamaica, cause you know, like the parkings are like super tight, especially in Jamaica. The mommy asked me, yeah man, park the van at a Progressive Iron Shore, and my parking van, I nearly start ball. Van so close to the other car, and I turn in, you know, and two police did the behind me. Okay, I think I might have made a list, but I kind of have an idea of what I need. Yeah, I wonder if the mess will expire while them out of front. I'm look drip up, I'm look well drip up, dog. I'm gonna check the expiry dates. Oh, these are good, like y'all know I love these.
Fucking with them heartbreakers, but he was getting money with the movers and the shakers. He was mixed with a couple things, bought like a couple rings, bricks in the condo and grams to sing. Left arm,
I think I have everything, but I'm gonna get one just in case.
up north when they read it. Anyway,
Okay, got all the ingredients. And now I go finish baking time, which it would be cool though. It just depends on how the day go. So yeah, I'll see you guys when we're going to the mall. Hey you guys, so it is the same day. It's Friday the 10th at 4:59, and we're gonna head on out to go to the mall. So yeah, stay tuned to see what we get. Like, probably not gonna get like a lot of stuff, but we're just gonna be like chilling and, you know, the works, because I think dad leaves tomorrow, which is super sad, guys, but that's how it be. But yeah, just a regular fit. So we got to the mall. Yeah, we got to the mall. It is, what time is it? I don't know what time it is. 6 o'clock. I don't know why that took awfully long, but we're here finally. Guys, so we're just waiting on Dad to come from the bathroom, and then we're gonna go shopping, I guess. Are you gonna buy something? Yeah. For Remy.
It's Rebele.
No, you say you want to buy something for me. Guys, I am so tired. We're in Quark.
I like those 2 shoes.
Where? Oh my Quarks has, like, you can't buy good shoes from me. You have to go for like Foot Locker. Huh? Guys, we got some jeans. American even expensive, but
You know what, let's go. When we go on Tony, we give 1-1.
anyways, y'all, get some jeans for my dad. Guys, we're in Guess. We're in Guess and we're getting some shirts for Daddy, but they're expensive, but yeah. See?
You get it?
No, she should go check. Shirt, yeah, man. Shirt, them nice.
Yeah.
Them all have jeans. What? A sweater. Ooh, this one look nice. Like it's actually. Daddy, do you like the?
I guess you know.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, medium. What up? Medium?
No, this is small.
You have medium?
Yeah, I think
Can I
so.
check?
Yeah, they have medium. Thank you. You want to try the medium? Yeah. Ooh. Oh, is this Foot Locker? No, this is JD Sports.
Oh, no. My shit's calling you. Foot apparel, I guess.
Check for the two of them. 211.
Oh, what do you mean?
Let me buy it for them and I keep your money. I tell you, I buy it.
No, it's fine.
Alright, do it then.
You want a bag for it?
Yeah.
Hello?
Wait, if we need a bag. Yeah.
It's gonna be $153 and 88 cents. And there we go. No. No. No.
Thank you.
No problem, I'll try this.
Let's go. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go to the Apple store. I'm gonna buy an iPad because I wanted one for like editing and shit, because I'm trying to edit on my computer and it's just not giving me any. Like, it's okay, but I feel like on the computer it just like it's not gonna get done fast enough, and I'm not doing it on my phone because no, I'm not doing it on my phone. So like I tried doing it on my phone, but it's just like it take up way too much storage and I just can't bother. So I'm gonna go buy the iPad. Oh, the bags are so cute. So yeah, I'm gonna buy the iPad. Hey guys, Apple is right there. Just kind of fast movements. So the iPad here that I'm gonna get it in pink because my case is pink, and like we're just being cute and girly. So it's gonna be $560 with taxes. So yes, guys, yeah, I'm so excited. I'm gonna kind of hurry up because everybody ready. So yeah.
Awesome.
Yeah.
What kind of content do you think?
Yes.
Getting the monthly or 2-year Apple Care for your iPad will be okay. No worries. It'll be $559.38.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, I was literally watching that movie. It was so funny. It has a Chris
Ghosted?
Evans in it. Yes.
I'm
literally like, I loved it. Here you go, my dear.
Really?
Oh yeah.
Like the same brand or just like a little?
That's a good question. I don't know what brand.
Bye. It's nice meeting you. Okay, y'all, the bag is secured. The bag is secured. So we're gonna hurry and go up to mommy them because they were already kind of ready. So yeah, the bag is secured finally. So guys, I have something to edit the video. Like, as I was telling the lady, like, she's so sweet. Like, I love my Apple workers, y'all. They're so sweet. But as I was saying to the lady, like, I have my computer I edit on, but like, me just feel like my computer is not, and I'm working the wrong place, general. But the computer, like, I don't finish editing fast enough because I prefer like the mobile app anyway. So yeah.
Just keep on pushing he owned a couple acres, a couple fake visas, cause he never got his papers. Gave up on love, fucking with them heartbreakers, but he was getting money with the movers and the shakers.
Okay, you guys, so I'm home now, and thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.